how do I start my business?
Wow.
So who should I contact for Taylor, this and that. I'm like, Sam, that's Adobe. Sige, gather it all, write it down, and then we discuss it when I see you next month. So nandun na siya sa punto yun. But growing up, how I was as a father, hindi naman ako tolerant, pero I'm the cool dad. I've always been the cool dad because I never had a chance to live with him. So always, unas kami magkasama, I make it appear as if, it's the last day of the world. But now that it's become an adult, mas marami mo yung oras na nagtutour ako. And then he comes to my tour during a break, magkikita kami, and then we just spend father and son time together. And that's the best feeling. So me as a father, yeah, I'm a cool dad. I'm a friend. I can be a friend. Yeah.
Thank you. And for my second question, nabanggit na rin yung chemistry mo with Miss Mylene. Kasi nakita namin yung post niya, like sinusundo niyo sila ni Kyle.
Yeah, kasi katabi rooms
Kumusta
namin.
yung mga bonding moments?
Para kami high school, nagkikita-kita kami. Meron kami monthly reunion sa bahay niya, sa West Grove. Si Dominic, si Enchong, si Bianco Mali, si Kyle, ako, yan si Mylene. So we're trying to gather some more people. Yun nga na, because of what we had started sa Pamilya Sagrado, nag-carry over siya dito sa labas na, we've been friends since the 90s. So, even Dominic Ochoa, na wala sa show, nakakasama namin lagi. We were just together last week. So, ang sarap ng ganun, may bonding kayo outside the work.
Thank you.
Peach, follow-up ko dun sa intimidating. Kasi intimidating talaga ang cast. May say ka in choosing Rosana, Aiko, Ina, John Arcilia, Tirso Cruz.
In all honesty,
Oo.
wala.
Hindi ka, never ka nag-record.
I would, if I could, if I want to, pero naniniwala ako sa casting ng Dreamscape.
Ang laki.
Sobra, di ba?
I know.
So bagay ba magre-reco, kaya na nila yan, mabibigyan mo mas maganda pa. When this was pitched to me, all the names, na first choice, lahat yun
It's Joel Torre.
Yeah, Tito JT. Si Tito JT, yung first na sorry ka kami, naka-joke palagay Joel Torre, pero hindi pa siya approved. Hindi pa siya nag-confirm, di ba? Pero si Tito Chupip, si John Arcilia, si Aiko, si Mylene, everyone said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yung Aiko nga, ipaakyat pa lang ng stair, ng hagdan, di ba? Kanina.
Iba yung Aiko.
Iba na yung impact niya, di
At
ba?
saka si Aiko na tamang excited sa pagbabalik sa ABS-CBN.
Yeah.
Right.
Kinarir.
Right.
Alright.
Talagang powerhouse.
Of course. I understand si Chad
Yes,
Rosete
yes.
has set of questions.
Chad of the Manila Feed.
Congratulations, Papa P.
Patayin
So
yung
for
tayo,
my-
Chad. Our dear cameraman would like to request that you stand.
Okay, so first, congratulations kasi para kami nanonood ng movie kanina.
Di
So,
ba?
bawal pa
Yun ang
mag-break.
comment mo, di ba,
Oo,
Chad,
parang-
kanina?
Dapat, parang di ka pwedeng tumayo. Parang
Yes.
ganun.
Sa yung
So,
texture na pinansin niyo, Vix, di
Oo.
ba? Pinansin niyo kanina,
Parang
yung
K-drama.
camera, parang iba, di ba?
Correct, very cinematic. So, for my first question, since yun nga na-mention kanina, bigatin yung mga stars dito. Parang seeing you sa isang frame, si Aiko, yung pag-akyat niya, tapos nandun si Tirso, John Arcilia, may Mylene Dizon pa. Sa ganitong phase ba ng career mo, parang may kaba ka pa rin ba? Or
Oh
parang
yeah, I wanted to address that. I'm sorry. That was asked. Dinadaga ako sa mga eksena, syempre.
Di nga.
Oo naman. Alam mo, that's one thing good about our craft. As long as you feel that you are always a student, there's always something that you can learn from what you are doing. And that's what I feel doing this show. Yung takot ko, yung kaba ko, yung nervous ko doing a scene, I pray. Yung isang lumalabas yung kabong dibdib ko sa dibdib ko, and I have fun doing it. After the scene, I'm like, sarap. Diba? Yun naman yun eh. That's the exciting part of it. When you act out of passion, tapos hindi mo alam magiging outcome, and then seeing it kanina, I had to control myself many times because sabi ko, na-overwhelm ako, diba? So yun. Kinakabahan pa rin po talaga ako. Lagi. Lalo pag yung mahiling ka eksena mo, walang tapo na reaction. Galing.
kanina parang ini-establish pa lang yung mabait mo na character. So parang mas lalo tuloy kami nagki-crave doon sa masama na side ni Piolo. No?
Oo nga
Or ni
eh.
Rafael, no? So paano naging challenging sa'yo yung mga eksena, yung lalo na yung pag-switch mo from
Wala pa
bida
eh.
kontra bida?
Yeah, wala pang switch na mangyayari dyan. Yung nakita niyo yung last frame when I said, mamamatay tao ang ibang pamilya natin. That's the pivotal point for his character. And I had to, wow. When we were doing the scene, I had to stop many times because I was getting so overwhelmed by emotion. So yun, it doesn't happen overnight. We want to make him as real as possible para hindi siya caricature, pagdadaanan niya yung lahat ng sakit at ginawa sa buhay.
Since ito ay pamilya, aasahan ba namin sa mga susunod pang mga episode, may mga papasok na mga bagong character?
Marami. Daming budget ng ABS. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, marami. Oo, huwag natin ibigay
Nakita
lahat.
na namin eh.
Yes,
May
joke mo.
Padilla.
Yeah, Jezebela.
Oh.
Di ba? Ang dami pa papasok. Kaya nakakataba ng puso for ABS to really prioritize and give credit to the cast and the story na alam mo, wow naman talaga, you know. So, yun lang po talaga yung ipagmamalaki natin na gumagawa tayo ng isang bagay na hindi natin kina-compromise yung storya at saka yung casting.
And last question na lang, for the two na lead actors, si Gray at saka si Kyle, going back doon sa, nung ikaw nasa stage nila, ano yung nakikita mo sa kanila? As
Nakita ko yung
hindi ba
kanina.
ng ABS-CBN?
Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanila kasi.
3 decades ago.
Sakit ba?
Totoo kasi. Hindi naman.
329, lang naman.
Parang 2.5.
Actually, 3, oh no, yan.
Alam na alam ko yung
Patay.
Hindi mo alam.
There were scenes na biglang papasok si Kyle. Parang sabi ko, ginawa ko yan dati. There were scenes papasok si Kyle. Ganyan din yun. Alam mo, wow, nakakatawa silang panoorin. And there's so much in store for these guys. Their commitment to their craft. I think it would not have worked if they were not committed enough. Or if they were not open enough to say na we have so much to learn. Lahat ng reaction na binigay nila halfway through, sila na yun. Wala nang distraction ng director. So you can see that really they can deliver at marami pang mapupunta ng dalawa.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chad.
Grabe yung energy ni Lolo, no? Ni Piolo, no?
Oh, wait. The show was completely shot in Baguio?
Most of it, like probably more than half. We're not done yet, pero we're just going back to Baguio this weekend for the 3rd cycle. So we've been there. Yeah.
Okay. At tama yung sinabi mo, Kuya EJ, kasi kanina habang sumasagot si Piolo ng mga tanong, pinaobserbahan ko lang
Iba,
siya.
no?
Iba yung spirit niya now. Kasi if I can share lang, 2 years ago when I was interviewing you for Flower of Evil, parang sa mata mo, parang uncertain ka pa na parang tuloy-tuloy ba to? Will I really do a comeback? As they call it, parang idedire-diretso ko na ba tong pagbabalik ko sa TV or movies? Pero iba yung
I said that's it, right? I was quitting soap, no?
Yeah.
Wala eh.
Sucker tayo for good stories, tsaka mukhang pera. I mean, gusto ko lang nagtatrabaho, gusto ko lang may ginagawa. Tsaka paano ko makakaintindi?
Pamilya sagrado ka nga talaga.
Hindi
Sa
ako
character.
pera.
Iba.
Sabi kasi dito tayo, nung pinitsa sa akin, so dito tayo ilang episodes to? 100. Sige, let's go!
Wow.
Let's go!
Okay, next question.
Yes, we have our next set of questions will come from Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart.
The Lionheart guy! You all love
Hello.
Lionheart.
I follow you guys.
Hey Papa P, good afternoon. So, yung question ko kasi parang naging trend sa kahit sa Hollywood na parang yung mga meeting idols gumagawa ng mga roles na mga kontrabida, pero later on parang nagiging fear ng mga viewers na parang sila yung ina-idolize na kahit negative yung kanilang portrayal ng character. So, ikaw ba, Papa P, as an actor, may reservations ka ba dun sa paggawa ng role na to? And may fear ka ba na i-idolize rin yung character mo? And paano mo i-handle yun?
Well, thanks for that. Actually, that's the reason why I said the same answer a while ago. There has to be redemption for the character. He can't be bad all the way. That's why I'm excited for the journey of my character, because he starts out bad, but through the journey of this story, he's gonna turn into good. So it has to have redemption. If there's no hope, then let's do not do it. That's my mantra in life. If I'm not gonna learn anything from your film, from your story, which would make me a better person, a good person to say the least, I won't do it. I won't even watch it. I won't recommend it. That's why all my films, mamatay man ako in the end, there's redemption for the story or the character. But it has to end on a good note. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Papa P. Ito na lang, ikaw ba personally, may mga gusto kang, or may mga nakita kami na ikaw mismo yung nag-suggest na gawin?
Mabait naman yung mga director ko, tsaka yung mga writers na, you know, when we have suggestion or pag nagko-collab kami, how you gonna take it. Si Direk Lau, bibigyan ko niya, tapos sabi niya, Peach, parang mali, parang gawin mo ito. Oo nga, okay, Direk. Tapos si Direk Ando, sabi niya, okay, di ba tama? Pag hindi ko nagagawa, sabi niya, okay, gawin mo ulit. So, as long as you're good with collaboration and you're open, I mean, we suggest and they also suggest, and there's always room and space for talks and as to how we can attack a scene. So I think I've reached that point in my career wherein my director would talk to me and discuss with me how they want to do it, because of course ang dami na nagawa mo. You want to be able to diversify and make sure na hindi pare-pareho. So I always listen to my director and whatever I can suggest, pag-uusapan.
Thanks, Papa.
Thank you.
Iba talaga to.
Thank you, Richard.
MJ, may babasahin ako.
May